Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable Smart Panel on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Disabling Smart Panel allows users to customize their device according to their preferences. Some individuals may find the Smart Panel useful and prefer to keep it enabled, while others may choose to disable it for various reasons. And then how to disable it on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here you can select display option. And then please scroll down till you find edge panel option. Okay, after that, here you can disable Smart Panel by pressing this button. Okay, so now the Smart Panel on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable Smart Panel on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.